What's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven back again. Okay, so anyway, I had to hang up with Latoya, so I'm gonna see y'all a little later. Okay, so anyway, Randy, your birthday's in a couple of days, huh? So what you should think?
Hmm?
So what you think?
What?
What you plan on doing?
On Houston.
Houston,
H-Town.
H-Town's in the house, y'all. H-Town's in the house, yo. Oh, I got there from the H-Town down on Fever for the Flavor.
Okay.
Yes, indeed, Woody. I'm go by Donald's later.
Yeah.
So anyway, true.
That was it back in the day.
Oh yeah, sure.
TV, but not
After these messages, we'll be right back. How about that? You know. Mm-hmm. Oh, so anyway, I know you gonna be glad to be out there. At least you get to travel.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And guess who birthday is on the same day as yours?
Who?
Kirsten K. Kirsten K. I wish you was watching this. And Miss Kaufman. I don't know how to pronounce her first name though. But what she don't know is I know her daughter. You know. And she a sweetheart too. Kirsten is a sweetheart though. And guess what? I introduced her to my little niece when she was a baby. I was always bringing her to her job. You know. She used to work at Walmart. Well, she don't work there no more, so I can say it. You know.
Yeah.
If she was still working there, I wouldn't say it. You know. What a mess. You know what I mean about what a mess?
Yeah.
The cartoon What a Mess, not What a Mess as in you see the mess. Oh, who's that?
Ex-girlfriend.
Who girlfriend?
Ex-girlfriend.
What was her name?
Lindsay.
Lindsay. Oh, you never told me about her. Oh, let me bring somebody on camera. You want me to do that?
Okay.
Oh, let me see if he. No answer from. All right.
Who was that?
DJ Danny. Oh, he a DJ and his wife Conga Queen. She have videos on YouTube and she was featured on my show. Yeah, that was the second time being featured on my show. You know. All right. So anyway. Now about to go to YouTube Live, but all right, I'm saying this on Facebook, not on YouTube, you know. But well, never mind. All right.